new merchandise out. The link is below. Glow like a disco ball. If you're interested in my merchandise, click the link below and it will take you to my storefront. Okay guys, now guys, guess what? Today we are also gonna be glowing. I have an amazing facial mask for you. This is an anti-aging facial mask. This is gonna tighten and firm the skin. I'm using all natural, 100% pure natural, no preservative, no additives in this awesome goodness. Now guys, this is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E, and guess what? Vitamin D. Great for your skin. It's gonna have to fade the wrinkles and fine lines, and it's also gonna just plump that skin, actually like giving you that natural filler without actually using filler, just using all these amazing ingredients. So let me stop talking, okay? If you're interested in today's video, let's eat in the kitchen. Just come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. I will also show you how to use this on your skin for an amazing result. To make this recipe, you're gonna need a grater or any form of a zester. And here I have the main ingredient, which is an egg. So I'm gonna extract the egg yolk from the egg white. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slowly tap the egg like I'm showing here, and then I'm gonna start to separate the yolk from the white. Now guys, when you use your egg white, try to use it up in at least 3 days. You do not want to keep the egg white much longer than that. And here we have our egg white. Now moving on to the next ingredient, which is lemon. I'm going to be using a medium lemon, so I'm going to cut and extract the lemon juice. So now let's put this recipe together. Here we have 1 tablespoon of the egg white, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my lemon and I'm going to zest my lemon in the egg white. And that's about enough. And then I'm going to remove my seeds from my lemon, and I'm going to squeeze about a tablespoon of the lemon juice in the egg white. Squeeze it in. Remove the seeds. I'm going to reach for my coconut oil, and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in the mixture. And then we're going to whisk. You can choose to blend this. Once this is done, you are going to take it and you're going to rub it on your face, all over your face. Don't forget the neck and décolleté. And you're going to leave it on your skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's going to be dry on the skin. And then you're going to rinse this off with some cold water, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite moisturizer. So take a look. And the reason we're using egg today, because it helps to tighten and firm the skin. The egg will also help to give the skin a little mini lift. The egg will also help to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and the protein from the egg is going to boost the collagen production in the skin. We are using the lemon because it contains antioxidant vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, lighten and brighten the skin, and have your skin just looking radiant and glowing. You want that glow. This combination, the protein and the vitamin C, will give you that instant glow to the skin. You want to use this 2 to 3 times per week for best result, and you're on your way to looking younger, radiant and glowing. Store this in your refrigerator for no more than 3 days and use it at least 2 times per week. So there you have family, thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And guess what, guys? I have a show every Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we talk about skincare. Like, you know, all these amazing ingredients that we use in the natural world and also out there in the synthetic world of skincare. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So tune in.